Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these ultimate web scraping tools in 2025 called Oxylabs. So let's quickly dive into it. Oxylabs is one of the top name in web scraping and proxy solution, offering residential, data center and mobile proxy along with powerful web scraping API. The big advantages are its huge proxy pool, excellent reliability, and advanced features like AI-powered scraping for complex sites. It's especially good for business that need large-scale data collection without worrying about IP block or downtime. On the pro side, Oxylabs stand out for speed, scalability, and enterprise-level security, make it ideal for serious buyer. That said, Oxylabs isn't the cheapest option. It's more tailored to enterprise than casual user. So small business may find it expensive for their business, and the learning curve can also be a downside if you are new to web scraping. But in conclusion, if you need a professional grade solution with strong support and the ability to handle heavy data tasks, Oxylabs remain one of the best choice in 2025. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more quick reviews. Thanks.